and welcome back to my channel. My name is Moesha. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I install this wig. This is the invisible single knot wig. This is from Afsisterwig because I didn't want to over bleach it, so I wouldn't have to go back with to fix the over bleach knots. And I'll pin up a video that I did on how I customize my wig. So this is where I actually want it to sit because I still want to have a forehead. Let's see. Yeah, I'll have a forehead. See? 4 fingers like that. You have a forehead. Yeah. Honestly, I would really not recommend that you bleach the knots because I think it wears down the lifetime of it because they already came bleached and the knots are already single knots, so it makes it for a bit more shedding. I haven't even glued it yet and this side looks so good. Okay, calm down. Let's get started. I went to all the stores. Everybody took all the 90% alcohol. I let it sit for too long and I believe I was sweating somewhat, so that's why you see these grainy white things. Do over because I have a photo shoot tomorrow and I can't have this. No. I'll be back. I guess you did have a chance to see me use the lace remover. All right, let's try this again. Like right here is somewhat bunched. If you can see it, like it's not the best. I mean, it's not awful, but it could be better. Oops, my battery's about to die.
If I could tell you, I would. Honestly, no secrets between us. No, it's just honesty. Even if it hurts, even if it's just for today. I know you're just here for good fun. It's over before it's begun.
I installed it yesterday and I slept with it that night, and this is the second day. I'm about to go to bed, so I just washed off my makeup and the photo shoot went well. and I found I can to sleep with. I just put it in a bun, not in a, yeah, I put it in a low bun. I don't know if you can see. And I decided to use a wig cap to hold it in, and I even went in the shower with it. It was so easy that way. How it looks. I realized this bit is lifting, and you know I don't do baby hair, so whatever soup you see is, it just comes. But this top a bit is a bit lifting, but if I push it down it sticks. And when I was doing the wand curls, this side kind of lifted a little bit, but I just push it down and it went back to place looking. As I said, this part was lifting a bit just now, but it's sticking down. And what I'm gonna do is when I go to sleep tonight, I did that yesterday. Sorry, I'm really up close. Okay, is that better? That's better. Yesterday, I just took this pantyhose, I think it's called. Or whatever thing you have to tie, I just took it and I tied it real kind of tight, beyond tight, and I just slept with it like that and it flattened it out. So I'm gonna do that tonight again, but not as tight. But first I'm gonna do my skincare, but I really want you to see how it looks. I'm liking it. I think I'm getting better. You see the lighting. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna do my skincare and maybe have a last meal, snack for the night and head to bed. Bye!
I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. You're the only sunset that I'll never forget. Red and orange sorbet, like it is the best yet.
The front is kind of lifting a little bit, and this side is good, like it's really secure. Like oopsies, like really secure. This side, the flap started lifting on this side. See? And if I really want, I can go back with the bolt hold and glue it, but Depends how I'm feeling. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see from me next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!